Alright, this is 2 at 3D Cycle Parts. I'm going to open up these new Mayer plastics they just released for the Gen 1 KLR. We got a full set of the 2006 Kawasaki green color. Got everything here except for the front fender. They do offer that, but we're going to run like a Supermoto fender on this shop bike. Check that out. Alright, let's get this thing opened up. I know this is the one of the most popular colors. Check that out. They look pretty nice. This has been one of the most popular colors that people want. So that looks really nice. Can't wait to get that on the bike. Let's go ahead and look at some other pieces. Alright. These are going to be, these are already listed on our website. Probably the cheapest price you'll be able to find on these anywhere is going to be at 3D Cycle Parts. There's the rear fender. Go ahead and open that. That's nice. Check that out. Really nice. Alright, let's move on. We got side covers and shrouds left to go. I'm really interested in seeing the shrouds. I'm going to save those for last. Here's the side covers. We're just going to open up one of those. Unless they're in one bag, which looks like they may be. Yeah, they're in one bag. See? Looks like that. These are bagged up and labeled real nice. Alright, so let's pull out one of the side covers. Nice. And these are just stickers, so you can take those off if you don't want them on there. And looks like it just has a hole here instead of the peg. There's a bag of hardware in there. It looks like it actually has a some mounting hardware to mount them up a little different than the factory setup, but I'm sure they'll mount up really nice. The color looks really good. And well, and here are the radiator shrouds. Check out the right side first. This has got a so they've got a piece of mesh in there that's just riveted in, a piece of black mesh. Looks pretty nice. Looks like they've got a same way with the side covers. There's a bag of hardware in here that we'll have to get into and look at, but got some L brackets and different things to be able to bolt these up. So look pretty nice. I think they're going to look really good on the bike. The color looks good. The finish, they're nice and smooth, glossy. So yeah, so go to our website, 3dcycleparts.com. You can order now. They're in stock, ready to go. They're 4 colors. They come in black, white, an olive green, and then the Kawasaki green, like the 2006 color. So, thanks for watching.